Welcome to Cityview Apartments. This is elevated living just a block off the Commons. We're here today to see 3H. This is a studio apartment located on the 3rd floor of the building. Let's go on inside. On your right-hand side is your kitchen with your microwave, your dishwasher, your electric oven and range, and refrigerator. All of the H units have a unique structural element with a pillar located in the hallway that separates the living area from your kitchen. One unique feature of all of our buildings is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends in. In the living area, you'll have 5 pieces: a bookshelf, a dresser, a full-size bed, and a desk and a desk chair. The Cityview building all shows great high ceilings and tall windows, giving you lots of light in this north-facing apartment. All of the units are air conditioned and have a heating element, and plenty of closet space. As we finish up in the bathroom, large bathroom, the full shower tub combo, and a vanity with medicine cabinet. Rent here in Cityview includes heat, hot water, trash, and recycling. You're responsible for electricity. High-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming to a tour of apartment 3H in our Cityview building. Call us today for availability.